What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to manually install a WordPress theme in 2025, okay? So imagine the following scenario. You did go to some stores, to some website, and you purchased a WordPress theme and you have to install it, and you only have the files. Normally when you purchase a WordPress theme, you download a .zip file with the theme of the theme. So how to manage to get this file installed on your site? First thing, get the file, okay? You can go to Envato, you can go to Creative Market, you can go to WordPress.org, go to the download section and download the ready to install theme files. There is cases that you download a master file and you must unzip or extract the theme files, but I'd explain this into another video. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. But after getting your file, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over Appearance and hit the submenu Themes. Right here we have an option next to Themes called Add New Theme. You can click on it. Then there is an option called Upload Theme. This is exactly what we are looking for. Then, if you have the theme in .zip format, you may install or update it by updating it here. So, click on Choose File. Select the file that you just have downloaded. In my case, is this .zip file. Okay. Here's the content. Click on Install Now. Wait a moment. Normally the process happens really fast, but it changes according to your host speed. Install theme from uploaded. Unpacking package, installing the theme installed successfully. We can preview live demo, activate, or go to theme page. So I'm gonna click on activate to make the theme work. And now some themes redirect you to the welcome page, a page where you can install their plugins, import the demo contents, the pre-built websites, and know more about the theme and its contents. Other themes just redirect you to the themes page. Once again, review the left sidebar of menus, go to Appearance, Themes, and here is your theme installed. You can delete this theme, you can customize, you can see the patterns, the widgets, or the menus, okay? And of course, you can activate another theme in order to delete the previously installed one. Simple, easy, and very effective, but feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question left. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!